The second coin of Finland is dedicated to the centenary of the birth of the interior designer Ilmari Tapiovaara. The furniture designed by Tapiovaara was primarily practical and easy to manufacture, due to the lack of significant resources in Finland during the war with the Soviet Union and in the post-war period. His most famous works are Domus, Fannet, and Islakan chairs. The coin shows the furniture fittings typical of Tapiovaara products. Text by Ilmari Tapiovaara, and years of life 1914 to 1999. Mintage year 2014. FI, Finland. Mark of the Finnish Mint. Circulation of 1 million coins. Recent sales on eBay ranged from $5.40 to $5.70. Currently, the cheapest coin costs $3.70.